엠버는
라마고
라마는
엠보다
엠버
라마
라마
엠버
라마
스테 오 라마 스테 오 라마 스테
엠버는
라마고
라마는
엠보다 엠버 라마 라마 엠버 라마 스테. Thank you.
Bye. We're here. I got my own name tag. It's official. We're in a set. So now we are gonna get ready for the BuzzFeed shoot. Just met Steven finally. Hair, makeup. It's weird. All my Korean staff is all here. It's so weird. I feel so important. Get ready, and then we're gonna go upstairs and shoot some stuff with Steven. We're gonna head to Jack in the Box. Cause I love tacos. I love their, was it 2 for $1 tacos? Yes. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna be adorable and awesome. So let's go.
Yeah, hey. What's up? Is this
This is Ranting Monkey. Wow, get out of the shot. You're my sensei though. Get out of the shot. You're not allowed. Okay, get ready. Is there a bathroom? Bathroom time. I'm sorry, you're not invited. Mr. comes around?
여기.
It's definitely changing here.
Ooh, you transformed.
So, you know, like what do you call it? Shoelifts, insoles, or whatever. In Korean, you call them chajunshi. Chajunshi.
Let's go.
Woo! Look at that. Woo! Oh, by the way, I'm camera shy.
Oh yeah? Oh, there's 4 cameras right now.
I'm camera shy.
I'm
I
actually
thought I'd let you know.
Well, what is KCON? I think some of our audiences know KCON.
Comic-Con of Korean pop music and culture. It used to just be in LA. Now it's in like France, New York.
Wow. You look alike.
Yeah, international, baby.
Let's get out of here.
Out.
To Jack in the Box. Is there anything else you want to cover here?
Yeah.
No, that was plenty.
Alright, great.
That was plenty.
We just rant and rant.
Yeah.
I need to go bathroom again. I think I drank too
Yeah,
much.
there's like bathroom right
I'm gonna give the camera.
I'm gonna hold this camera for
I'm
now.
gonna go bathroom.
So she's in the bathroom. I'm gonna vlog for her right now. So we're at BuzzFeed right now, and what's up, Evan? Who's your favorite K-pop star?
Amber?
If someone that you want to meet, who would it be?
I want to meet Big Bang.
For me, Girls' Generation.
I'm sure Amber can make it happen for you.
Really?
Yeah. Amber.
Oh,
Yes.
Amber.
She wants to see Girls' Generation.
I want to meet Girls' Generation.
Okay. Be sexy. Parking lot. Dance time. I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh, there's Try Guys! Oh my gosh, there's Try Guys!
You should have this.
Oh,
what an honor.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, do y'all remember when I taught y'all K-pop dance moves?
We-
Oh, I watched that video. Dude,
we did
you
a lecture
killed
job.
it. Have you guys made your own like K-pop band yet? I'll get a label, sign you guys, and you guys can record your album.
Great, actually.
It's been said on camera. It's happening.
It's happening.
We're gonna make it
Real
happen.
K-pop sensation.
Hey, let's all take a photo together.
So for Jack in the Box tacos, it's 2.5
Jeez, here we go.
sauce packets
Here we
per
go.
taco.
She was doing that last time.
Taco Bell is 3 packets to 3.5 packets.
I don't know if that ratio is accurate.
That's how the ratio is at. I will be teaching you the safest way to learn how to skate. Well, anyways, we're gonna shoot our VCR for my performance tomorrow. So yeah, we're just gonna skate around, have fun. To be honest though, like because the sun isn't directly on my skin, nothing's burning. This is okay for now, I guess. For the KCON thingy, just do it. Just do it. This is my home. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Just do it. I put on my face. I look fabulous. We're gonna start going to KCON TV booth. And then after that, got, I think like 6 interviews. And then showtime. KCON TV! I think the reason why I connected with music so much was the artists that I listened to, they talked about something that touched my heart, and that's the reason why I guess music, changed my life. Music, there's so much to talk about. The generation that Coco, I guess I need to influence. I owe it to them to carry on that message. Like Nas's I can, you know, something small like that. Like, I know I can! So then you go do it. Maybe it's time for me to tell my audience, you can do it. I'm gonna go look pretty on a red colored carpet.
엠버 뭐 찍어?
그거 그때 프로.
아, 잘 알지. 그거 시청자 여러분 안녕하세요. 그것이 알고 싶다야? 그것이 알고 싶다. This is my program.
I'm sorry. 안녕하세요. 저는 you know
영어로
what?
해야지.
I'm sorry. I'm Minho's little sister Amber. Big muscles.
Yeah, right.
Sexy. Yeah.
주인공이 너무 약한 것 같아요. 주인공이 너무 약한 것 같아요.
저번에도 많이 그렇게 다녔는데.
야, 너는 어떻게 매번 대사가 똑같냐?
나 싫어? 나 역시
엠버.
태민이 제일 좋아.
엠버는
나도 고마워.
엠버는 라마입니다, 여러분.
Really honored to be performing in front of you guys. Thank you guys. See you guys later.
오.
There's chow mein and sriracha. Yes. And salad and ribs, which are all like my top favorite things in the world. Who's catering? Tada Catering. Thank you. I am sad. Oh, it's my mom. Where's my mom? Come here, mom. Where is it? Mom. Time for showtime? No, showtime.
Break a leg.
Oh, yes, break a leg, but not literally. Don't do that. Because I am skateboarding. That is very dangerous. And I could break a leg.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the stage.
It's Amber. I got a little room today. He's talking about chit chat.
Bye, Key. See you later. Bye, Key. 태민 안녕. 깜짝 놀랐잖아.
뭐하러 가?
나 무대.
지금 무대야?
See you later. That scared the crap out of me. I was like, who's touching me right now? Camera inception. Okay, I'm gonna go. See you soon.
안녕하세요. 다시 봤어. 사랑해요.
본호 뭐예요?
본호 뭐예요?
다시 봤어.
I was
Wow, keep out left is so easy. You just